Here's a video tutorial on your iPhone Mail app that was categorized into the wrong category. Here's how to switch between them and turn off categories or reset manual categorization. First of all, move to Category, swipe Email to the left, and tap on More. Tap on the Categorize Sender option and select your targeted category. Suppose I want to move it to Primary. Please select it, and you are done. Alternatively, we can move from Email on Mail Preview, tap on More option at the top right corner, and select Categorize Sender option. Select your targeted category, and that's it. To reset all manual categorization, tap on the More icons at the top right corner and select the About Categories option. Scroll to last and tap on Reset Manual Categorization option. To completely turn off and edit from this category view, tap on More options at the top right corner and select List View. Now, all emails are listed in a single view. That's a fix and workaround to help you. If you discovered a helpful solution and resolved an issue, please consider sharing it with the community. Your contributions are greatly appreciated. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below.